Hey guys, I'm pretty excited because today I got my wire-free PTZ battery-powered camera. Here is the box. It has three highlights here. It has a live view and recording history, motion and human detection, and some more notification. Remember that these cameras are supported by an application called Cloud Edge, which is a pretty cool app that works on iOS and Android. The box also mentions the product parameters. So this particular model is the ZSGX6S. It has for storage types memory card or cloud storage. Also, it can detect human movement, so it does that through AI algorithms. For the audio, it includes a two-way audio with noise cancellation. It has pretty good Wi-Fi frequency standards, as you can see here. The OS, it works with iOS or Android, and for power, this particular model is really cool because it comes with a solar panel that I'll show you now, and working temperature and humidity. You can see here these parameters, and let's take a look at the camera now. So first, the solar panel. Here you can see the solar panel that it comes with. It's a really cool solar panel. It's about the size of my hand. What we are looking at right now are all the different pieces that you will need to mount your camera on a wall. So this is a pretty comprehensive package. You have all the pieces you need. Now the moment that we were all waiting for, here we have the camera. It comes with a plastic to protect the lens, and as you can see, it has a very nice design. So my overall experience with the camera has been very good. The camera includes very different functionalities. It has a microphone, charging indicator. Of course, you have the lens, the PIR, working status light. You have a power key. You have a reset key in case you need to reset the camera. It has a waterproof plug. It has an SD card slot to store all the information. It has a Wi-Fi antenna, and it has speakers as well. The camera installation is straightforward. You will find a manual inside the box that will explain how to do that, so you will be able to do it without any problem. The things that I like the most of this camera is that you use an application, and in the manual it explains how you use the application and how you add the camera to the application. So this is one of the greatest things about this camera. I just love the application. It's so easy to use. It's just great. My experience with the camera and with the application has been really good. Now I will show you the camera working. You will be able to see that the image is quite clear. This is a very high quality camera, has very good resolution. I think this camera provides very high value, very high quality, especially compared to the price being paid for the product. Hey guys, so here you see the camera working, and I wanted to do a test at night, and you can see that this camera has a great night vision. Here we have a different shot. Again, this is using my phone, using the app that is supported by this camera, and again you get a very clear image. So it's a really good camera, as you can see here.